this is COVID Care Health Monitoring System. The main objective of this project is to monitor the patient continuously or frequently to check their pulse level, heartbeat level, temperature, etc. The components for this project are Arduino Uno microcontroller and Node MCU ESP8266, heartbeat sensor, respiratory sensor, GSM, LCD, heartbeat sensor and pulse oximeter MAX 30100. This is the microcontroller we are using here, Arduino Uno. It have 14 digital pins and 6 analog pins, out of which we can connect serial communication. We have serial communication pin also and I2C pins also available for this module, and here we are connecting the cable for uploading the code, and this is the power jack for connecting the power to give the power supply. This is the reset button, and all the programs are dumped in here, which controls all the operations here, and operating voltage is 5 to 20 voltage. And this is another microcontroller. This is Node MCU or ESP8266. For here we are connected, here also same like that only. It have a 14 digital pins and 6 analog pins. This is the port for dumping the program or uploading the program. And for Node MCU, why we are taking means for working of pulse oximeter, we required a Node MCU. This is pulse oximeter or a MAX 30100. It have 8 pins, but we are connecting only 4 pins. VCC, that is 3.3 voltage, and ground, and SCL and SDA, that is serial clock and serial data. So whenever it detects, reads the data, it is transferred to a Node MCU, which is connected to a Arduino. So from Node MCU, the data is transferred to this Arduino. And this is a heartbeat sensor. The operating voltage is a 5 voltage, which helps to detect the heartbeat BPM value it will give. And this is LCD for displaying whatever data we need to display on this LCD screen. Operating voltage is 5. Most of the sensor here we are using is a 5 voltage, except this one pulse oximeter, it is using a 3.3. and this is GSM is using 12 voltage. And this is a 16:2 LCD, and this is respiratory sensor, which helps to check the breathing level. Means if it unusual breathing for a 10 seconds or a frequently occurred, means it will display on this LCD screen like a unusual, means breathing is not normal. Then we will get to know that person is not breathing properly, means he or she have that breathing problem. This is GSM, global system for mobile communication. It helps to send message, receive message, etc. It communicates with this GSM module and mobile with this microcontrollers. Here we are using for uploading the data to IoT, that is ThinkSpeaker. This is Dallas temperature or DS18B20. It helps to check the temperature, and for corona patients he will wear this mask, and it is connected to her body or somewhere, because it is waterproof, so we can connect to body also, and it will check the temperature. And pulse oximeter frequently checks the oxygen level, and this heartbeat sensor will check the pulse or a heartbeat, and all the data are displayed on this LCD screen. Whenever it is all the data are continuously uploaded to ThinkSpeak also, so that from wherever we can relatives of a doctor can check the patient temperature and oxygen level, so that he can make sure his or her health condition. Now we will check the working. Now I connected the 12 volt adapter to Arduino. On turning on, it will display COVID care monitoring. You have to rub here to get the oxygen level 95% and temperature is 26 day. And now I didn't put my finger, that's why it is not showing that heartbeat. Now I inserted and 95%. BPM is 157, temperature 26 degree. Then all the values are uploading to ThinkSpeaker. With this value also it will upload to ThinkSpeaker. It takes some time to upload, so we need to wait. After uploading, it show done uploaded. Again it will show continuously run that loop. This is the ThinkSpeaker. On we have 4 fields. First field will upload oxygen, second heartbeat, and third temperature. 4 is big values, and when you touch here means you will get the level, means value, then date and time, everything. Thank you.